Hey everyone, today, we're comparing three of the latest TVs. Hisense U8K Mini-LED QLED, TCL QM8 Mini-LED QLED, and Sony X90L Full Array LED. We'll review their unique features and performance to help you decide which one could be your next entertainment powerhouse. The Hisense U8K flaunts a sleek design with a 65-inch QLED display, delivering vibrant colors and brilliant clarity that draw you into every scene. With its 4K resolution, get ready for crisp, detailed visuals that bring your content to life, making every moment a visual delight. It's not just about screen size. This is a variety of content. Enjoy Prime Video, Google TV, YouTube and more, bringing the entertainment world into your living room. At just 3 inches deep, 57.2 inches wide and 33.1 inches high, this TV maximizes screen real estate without compromising space. To sum it up, the Hisense U8K Mini-LED QLED combines a sleek design, dynamic display, 4K resolution, and a range of supporting services in its 65-inch size, promising an immersive viewing experience. The TCL QM8 boasts a stunning QLED display, which delivers stunning colors and stunning visuals in a stunning 4K resolution, ensuring a true viewing experience. When it comes to content, the TCL QM8 gives you access to a variety of entertainment via Netflix, bringing your favorite shows and movies to the big screen. At a slim 1.73-inch depth, 56.93-inch width and 32.56-inch height, this TV maximizes space without compromising on screen size. In addition, it comes with essential components such as a remote control, batteries, stand, power cable, and a quick start guide for easy setup. The TCL QM8 Mini-LED QLED TV offers a stunning QLED display, 4K resolution, Netflix access, and a space-efficient design, making it a great addition to your entertainment setup. The Sony X90L features a stunning full-array LED display, which delivers stunning visuals in vivid 4K resolution, ensuring unmatched picture quality and realism. When it comes to content, the Sony X90L opens up a world of entertainment with access to popular services like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, Hulu, HBO Max, AirPlay 2, Peacock, and Apple TV with a wide range of shows. Library is ensured, movies, and more. Measuring 13.63 inches deep, 57 inches wide, and 34 inches high, this TV delivers a cinematic experience without compromising space. Plus, it comes loaded with exclusive features like the Eco Dashboard, Game Menu, exclusive PlayStation 5 capabilities, XR Triluminos Pro for billions of colors, and access to movies on Bravia Core. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to explore these TVs more and let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech showdowns and reviews.